We are having our groundbreaking ceremony for Welcome Stadium project, and right now we're going to have some amazing things happening here. More importantly, we are going to have all our student athletes been able to use the facility. So our middle school, their football games are over here. Even our high schools, our soccer games are played here. We have many community members that come through here, 5Ks, they run around the building and they run inside the building. At some point we want to bring concerts here too. We were intentional with our lighting, so it's not just white lights, but we have color lights too. So the upgrades on our Wi-Fi so that, people can use their electronic devices, and when UD come here, they're not having issues, or any other colleges that may want to use it. We also were intentional with the track with making sure we put our college lines on there too. It's definitely going to be a multi-purpose facility for sure.
I think the most exciting thing is just the feel you get when you talk to people about it. From talking to kids to talking to our elders, they're all excited about this. There's so many pieces. There's people who are, they want to come down and buy a shirt from the Spirit Shop before a game. Or there's people who want to come out and they spent time looking at some of the trophies and old pictures. There's people, the kids are like, I can't wait to run on that track and get out on that field. So just knowing that we're doing so much that people are just excited about different pieces. I think that's what makes me excited, is just seeing the excitement in people's faces. It's going to be a magnificent facility. It's going to be somewhere they can come out and enjoy and be their best. And I think our community should be excited for what it can bring to not only our students, but for the city and the region, as far as getting some activities here and being a community space that everybody can enjoy.
The thing that I'm most excited about is just the actual opportunity for our students to play on a high quality field. I come to a lot of football games, I come to soccer games here, band competitions whenever there are outside groups that come in also occur here. And just to have a place that our students are proud of, a place that they'll enjoy playing on, because this is a legacy stadium. I mean, 1949 was when this was built originally, and while it's in okay condition, it's been kept up as much as you can. It's time for a resurfacing, a refacing, a revisioning of what this should look like, and that's what's happening right now. I think that we should all be excited for this upcoming change because it's a reality now. We've talked about it for a few years here whenever I've been the superintendent, but it's a reality now, and I know other people have talked about it for years and years and years. It's reality. Today, it's the beginning.